Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today my name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today I'm going to show you how to make up to $100 per day using these 5 money making apps. So you're going to be able to make money on your phone. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, because I'm going to be showing you apps on the phone. Now, you know what that means, right? Apps on the phone aren't going to make you huge amounts of money. So if you want to make a lot more money than money apps, check out the first link in the video description for a way to really accelerate and earn a full-time online income if you really wanted to. So you just need to learn some online skills and build yourself an online business like I have. It's something that I've been doing since 2016. So check it out. I hope you check it out, that first link in my video description, okay? In this video, I'm going to start with Field Agent, and fieldagent.net is how you can get to this site. For Field Agent, the only thing about Field Agent these days is that you just got to be wary about the conditions that we're living in. This is worldwide, and so you just got to make sure you can find it in your app store. For those who want to be an agent for Field Agent, you just got to go to the bottom and click on Agent Home, okay? So this is where you can find a lot of information. Now this particular app is supposed to be 18 and up, but the other 4 apps I'm going to show you are 13 and up, okay? So this is going to be for a lot of different people, and it's worldwide, a lot of these, so it should be available for a lot of you, okay? Field Agent is very cool. This is an app that's been doing really well for a long time, and it probably is slowing down because we are in a pandemic, and so things may be a little bit slow right now, but keep this in mind. This app has been working really well for a lot of people before, and with this app alone, I've read that a person who was working on this all day was able to make $100, okay? Each gig paid between, I don't know, $5 to $15. It just depends on what it is, and you can rack up your money very quickly, okay? So all you gotta do is download the Field Agent app, reserve and complete a job, and then they'll check the answers, and you get paid real cash for the work that you do for them. So what is Field Agent? At Field Agent, we are focused and finding opportunities for everyday people to make money. We're the app that pays real cash. We send agents all over the US to gather information, take photos, and share opinions. Now this one says US because I'm on the US site, but I've also seen a site for Australia, and there must be other ones as well if there's one for Australia, okay? So see if you can find this app in your app store and go from there. We offer all types of jobs. While one job may catch your attention, try them all because you never know what secret skills you have to offer. So you are doing a mystery shopping, or you're doing some kind of survey about the job. Not all jobs require travel, complete surveys anywhere, anytime. So you can have surveys as well, and then you could do audits, take pictures, and answer questions about displays, products, and more. Or you could buy and try. So you could purchase products, try them out at home, and share your opinion. So you're doing a lot of things in the stores or at home just to give them opinion about products and the way things are set up at the store. So you're going to download the Field Agent app. So it comes in both Google Play and Apple Store. And this app is highly, highly rated, okay? So the next one I want to show you is Street Bees. They're 13 years and up. Street Bees is found here at streetbees.com/become-a-b. And I'm going to have the link on the screen so that you can see it quickly. But you don't really need this website, guys. You just need to go to your app store and look for Street Bees, okay? So you don't really need to come on this website at all. What is this about? So this is a really fun app. It is a survey app, but the way the surveys are is literally one question at a time, and you're going to earn real big money from just one question at a time. Okay, I'm going to show you some samples. So this is very, very easy. See, download, and then you're just going to get questions like this, and you're just going to answer, and you get paid. Okay, here are some of the very easy samples I'm going to show you. So for something simple like this, you could earn 10 pounds for that. Or you could say say what you think about your mobile network. Hello, this is like $5 to answer this one question. Or you could take a picture at your local supermarket for 45, and this is yen. Okay, so this is from Japan. So this is definitely worldwide. You can see this in Europe. This is in Asia. This is in the US. So this is worldwide. And look at this on the right here. You're doing very, very simple things, okay? $5, making coffee in the home. So you take a photo of your coffee. That's it. And then you upload and then you submit. Then you get money, okay? That's it, okay? And I have had one of my followers tell me that they earned from this app and they love it. So the next one is going to be Camly, and what you gotta do is search Camly, how to become a tutor on Google, and you click this first link. For this particular one, you do need this particular link because if you go to the App Store, you're going to get the front end of Camly, that app, and it's not going to be what you need. You're going to need this, okay? So you need to go on Google and search Camly, how to become a tutor, to get to this page because you need this particular form to sign up to be a tutor here. Okay. On Google, I was searching if this is 13 and up, and it says you could go on here if you're 13 and up, but you are tutoring somebody, so you gotta make sure you are very good at English. And here you don't need any experience, but you do need to know how to speak English fluently and naturally, okay? So the way you are going to tutor here is very fun, okay? You're going to get paid to chat with people from around the world. So this is a very casual way to tutor. You're just speaking in English and people just want to be able to have a conversation with another person in English. That's it. That's why this is no experience necessary. You don't need to be a teacher. You don't need to be educated, okay? You just need to speak English. So you could get paid while you chat with students. We automatically track the time you tutor. We pay 17 cents per minute or $10.20 per hour, delivering your earnings every Monday on PayPal. Okay, so this is a very quick way to earn PayPal money, and especially because you're getting paid weekly here. And you can choose anytime you want to do this, okay, anytime, anywhere, because you're going to be on your phone. You make your own hours, work as little or as much as you want. You could log online whenever you have a free moment and start taking calls within minutes. So you can meet interesting people. You chat with people from around the world. In 1 hour of tutoring, you might meet a Brazilian or a Saudi or a Russian. You'll learn a lot about their cultures and languages too. So you're actually just having conversation and talk about anything you want in English so that they can learn English from you. So the next one I want to show you, this is a very highly rated app as well. This is called Money App at moneyapp.org. And you could just search Money App in the stores for the phone that you have. And this one is very, very highly rated once you get there. So what you do here is, how it works is that you're going to be earning from doing multiple different things, okay? And one of the things that you want to go to is this Hot Offers. Hot Offers tab, where you're going to get the best ways to earn on the app, which is going to be watching videos, sharing, completing surveys, and many more things. So they recommend you starting at the Hot Offers because they have it updated very often with the best payouts, okay? So once your credits balance displayed on the top right of the screen is enough to cash out, you can do the payouts by requesting a payout to be sent to your PayPal account. Enjoy your money. And so this only takes 48 hours, guys, okay? So this is very easy to do. And the last app that I want to show you is 1Q at 1Q.com. It is another app like Street Bees. So what they do is that they give you questions, individual questions to answer, and they're gonna pay really fast. So literally, you're gonna get paid a quarter for every question that you answer here, and it's pretty fun. Look, where do you get your morning coffee? And then you select an answer, and then that's it. You're gonna get paid after that 25 cents. I mean, how easy can this be, guys? Okay, as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. And so this is how this app works. There is really nothing to this app, but you just basically download, sign up, and you're gonna get questions asked to you, and then you earn PayPal money using this app. And this is another highly rated app, of course, and I only show you the best apps, guys, okay? But of course, these apps are only going to give you a certain amount of money that you can earn per month, and it's not going to be anything significant. So if you want something to, really earn and really drive like a bigger online incomes that you can actually depend on and earn a passive online income, check out the link in the video description. It's going to be the first link. Check that out because you're going to learn some online skills with that program, and they're going to teach you how to build an online business for yourself where you could make a lot more money. Okay, so they're going to be teaching you 4 different business models, but one of those business models I've been using since 2016, and I really love it because I get to earn over and over again from the work I put into my business. And not only that, you can earn any time of the day. Okay, so I love having my online business, and I really highly recommend you doing that. That is really the best way to earn online. And all these little apps is only going to make you very little money like pocket change. So if you want something more continuous, consistent online stream of income, you do need to build your own online business for that. So check that out. It's going to be the first link in the video description, and I hope you will follow my path. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every week, so I don't know when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye.